Ever thought we'd be talking about like internet memes as a path to, well, wealth?
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
But it's real, and it's about to get bigger. We're diving into meme coins today. We're breaking down this article, preparing for the MemeCoin Supercycle 2025. It says meme coins are like more than just a fad. They're changing how, especially younger people, think about money and investing.
Yeah, it's wild how this connects to the bigger picture of like culture. We're seeing internet culture, tech, and finance all blend together in a way we've never seen before.
The article says it's not about guessing the next big meme coin, but understanding what's driving this new way of trading.
It's like learning a new game. You don't need to know the players to understand the rules, right?
Right. The article points out that Gen Z and Alpha, they're not as into traditional finance. They're all about communities and trends. It's like internet culture is impacting Wall Street now instead of the other way around. What do you think about this shift? Well, we're moving away from that old school institutional way of investing. It's becoming more democratic, more community-driven. Meme coins are all about internet humor and shared experiences, so they fit right in.
That's a really interesting point. So how do we navigate this new world, this meme coin market? The article talks about two main strategies: horizontal line technical analysis and understanding the meme coins community. Let's start with the technical analysis. Sounds kind of intimidating, to be honest.
Let's break it down. Horizontal line technical analysis sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Imagine a line on a price chart, right? When the meme coin price drops to that line and then goes back up, it means there's support at that price, like finding solid ground in a shaky market.
So it's about finding those price levels where people are more likely to buy than sell.
Exactly. This is especially important for meme coins because, unlike regular stocks or even some other cryptocurrencies, there aren't usually big investors controlling the price.
So it's a more level playing field?
Yes, it's driven by tons of individual investors, which makes it exciting, but also unpredictable.
Okay, that makes sense. But what about understanding a meme coins community? Do we just scroll through memes and hope for the best?
There are smarter ways to do it. The article mentions bubble maps. They show how tokens are spread out. If a few people hold most of the tokens, that's a bad sign.
Like a warning sign for manipulation or maybe a lack of real community support?
Right, you want to see a lot of different people holding tokens, showing broader support. But beyond those tools, it's about getting a feel for the community. Are they passionate, engaged, invested in the project? Or does it feel empty, or worse, like a scam?
So we want a community that's not just in it for the money, but believes in the project, even if it is, well, a meme.
Yeah. The community can make or break a meme coin. We need to find those projects with communities as strong as the memes themselves.
It's amazing how this all comes back to online communities and shared experiences. But are there any real-life examples of meme coins that have used these strategies successfully?
Oh, absolutely. And that's what makes this so fascinating. The article talks about some compelling case studies showing how these ideas work in the real world.
I'm ready for some real-world examples. Let's hear about these meme coin success stories.
Okay, get this. One example is a meme coin called Frog. Yeah,
Frog. Seriously, frog. That's almost too perfect for the meme coin world.
right. But here's the thing. Frog went from a market cap of like $10 million to $130 million in just a couple months.
Wow, okay, now I get it. What caused that kind of growth?
The article says it was a few things. First, they had a really strong online community, which is what we've been talking about, that got the meme to go viral.
Huh.
And second, traders who knew about that horizontal line technical analysis, they saw the price floors, those key levels, and rode the waves, made some serious gains.
So it shows how community hype and smart trading, they can really work together in this market.
Exactly. And then there's Aura, another interesting one. It had huge growth, but it wasn't always up and up. Yeah, Aura had some big price drops along the way, but the people who understood horizontal line TA, they saw those dips as like a chance to buy.
Yeah, I can see how knowing those price floors would be super helpful in such a jumpy market.
Absolutely. Picture the Aura price chart, right? You see it bouncing off that horizontal line, showing support at that level. Traders who spotted that pattern, they bought low, and then boom, could sell high when the price went back up.
Sounds like timing is key in this meme coin world.
Oh, it's huge. But these are just two examples, and the article says most meme coins, they don't actually make it this big.
Yeah, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but remembering that most fail, that's important.
For sure. It's like, what's that saying? Looking for a needle in a haystack. Lots of searching, and most of what you find isn't what you want.
So how do we get better at spotting the winners, those meme coins with real potential?
That's where knowing these strategies is so helpful. Not foolproof, but it's like loading the dice in your favor.
Informed speculation, not just jumping on every meme bandwagon.
Exactly. You got to understand how it all works. The communities, the tech behind it, and yeah, the technical analysis too. Even a little knowledge makes a difference.
The article also mentions needing the right mindset for meme coin trading. It says you got to be fast and flexible, which is different from that buy and hold thing people do with regular stocks.
Totally different game. Meme coins move so fast, it's like a reflection of how fast internet culture changes.
Like comparing a quick sprint to a marathon. Both take skill, but the pace, the strategy, it's totally different. It really shows how meme coins are like part of something bigger, how tech and culture are changing everything.
Totally. And that's where it gets super interesting from a cultural point of view.
Okay, yeah, let's get into that. What kind of cultural shifts are we talking about?
Think about this. Meme coins, they're driven by these online groups, right? Shared jokes, trends, all that. What does that say about how we see value in this digital age?
It's like there's this new kind of currency popping up, but it's not tied to banks or anything. It's about what we do online, our shared humor.
Exactly. It makes us rethink what's valuable. Like a meme, something people used to think was just silly. Now it can mean real money.
It's almost like meme coins are a way of like commenting on society.
Yeah.
They show what we're all paying attention to online, what makes us laugh, even what makes us nervous.
And the fact that these online groups can come together, get behind a meme, and maybe make it worth millions, it says a lot about the power of digital culture.
It's exciting, but kind of scary too, right? Something as like unreal as a meme can actually change things in the real world.
It definitely changes how we think about value, scarcity, even what we consider an asset. The line between the internet and the real world, it's getting blurry.
Feels like we're at the beginning of something huge. So for our listeners, the ones who want to get into meme coins, what are the most important things to remember?
First thing, meme coins, yeah, they're unpredictable, but they're not going away. It's a whole new way of doing things, especially for younger people, how they invest, what they think is valuable.
So it's about more than just the money part. It's about the culture behind it.
Exactly. Second thing, community is everything in the meme coin world. Knowing the community is just as important as any kind of technical analysis.
Like that saying, it's not the destination, it's the journey. But here it's not just the meme, it's the community.
Right. And last thing, be ready to move fast, change directions quickly. This market moves as fast as the internet itself.
A wild ride, for sure. But like any adventure, a little planning goes a long way.
Absolutely. Don't just jump in blindly. Do your research, know the risks, and hey, have some fun with it.
It's memes after all. This has been a great deep dive. Thanks for exploring the meme coin world with me.
My pleasure.
And to everyone listening, as you explore this new world of finance, remember knowledge is power, even when it comes to memes. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay meme savvy.